Why would you do this to us? What is that? CCM reviews. Today Monica's gonna make us try this candy.
Random candy. I've taped it up because they don't know what it's called.
I want to spray it.
Alright, Catherine, you ready to try it?
Sour!
Ready to try it? Open your mouth. You're not going to try it. Well, you got to come here. Go, ah. Look at me.
I guess you can't do it then.
Go, ah.
Why would you do this to us? What is that?
It's Warhead Sour Spray.
Why would you do this to me?
It's good.
Why did you do this to us?
Yummy.
I'm getting out of here.
If you want to see us do more people with the sour candy, then comment below. Bye.